Well, the flooding is coming up and we're just about flood to the cottage. Another 6 inches will be in there. Well, it's flooding. I can still get to the concrete here, but it's flowing over and it's actually got into the cottage now. But we expected that. But we're on an island here on the edge of the Grand River. It's kind of cool. Another big fire going. This is getting pretty hot. I just had my doubts about it, but it's taken off and it's looking like to be a good fire. Love it. Look at that go. Nice flooding going on. Completely covered this area now. It's up the cottage at least 18 inches, I think.